What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create forms, surveys, polls, quizzes online and for free using Microsoft Forms. It's a free online tool to create those things and has templates that you can use as example forms, okay? It's almost like Google Forms but have a really better layout in my opinion. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to Google or go to your preferred search engine and type Microsoft Forms. You're gonna be asked to log in to one of your Microsoft accounts. Can use Outlook email, Live email, Hotmail, okay? After this, you're gonna be into a page like this one. Welcome to Microsoft Forms. Collect better data and make better decisions. Choose the scenario to start with well-crafted templates. I would like to have a survey, but we can use the scenario that we want. There are some templates right here. Let's explore. Create from featured templates. Survey, invitation, registration. Course evolution questionnaire. Employee satisfaction survey, post-event feedback survey, vacation and sick leave form, product pricing survey. So this is a very good in my opinion. So let's choose the product price survey. And here are a couple of questions. You can fully customize every single question. You can change the text of the content, for example, just like this. You can change the questions. We can apply a long answer. We can make it required or not, up to you. We can apply some subtitle, some restrictions, and we can add some branching, okay? Here are some branching options. We can go back. We can insert a new question. It can be a choice question, a text, rating, Likert, ranking, date, net promotion score, and satisfaction. I would like to insert a new question. I would like to be the rating. The stars model is good for me. We can type the questions right here, just like this, and we can move the question around the form, just like this. We can copy and delete using this form as well. So here we have my section number 6. All seems okay for me. You can change the answers in the case that you want. We can apply images to answers in the case that you want as well. Easy, simple, okay? After organizing, of course, we can change the layout of the form. We can change the background image, setting some styles. There is some settings that you can explore as well. We can preview the form. We can start now. And here is how it gonna looks like. Here is how it gonna looks like on mobile. Seems okay for me. The form is now working, and all I have to do is click on collect. Right here I have the link for the form and options to work on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, WP Bakery, or Gutenberg block editor. And it's a totally free WordPress plugin. In addition, we have the best free WordPress theme that gives you pre-built websites. That is our Enzo WordPress theme. All can be downloaded for free. In addition, in the case that you would like to submit your blog or to publish some content on some other blogs or to connect with a growing blogging community, to Trash, for marketing, for collaboration, go to growth with 3ws.net and review the platform. You can submit and find sites for free. Talking about free things, we have the sites.gallery website, a place where you can promote your site, your apps, your games, your landing pages, your stores, and all it's free as well. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium themes, plugins, options, icons, images, and many more content for you to create the site of our dreams and to use internet on your site's favor. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!